Hello friends, in today's video, I would be explaining how one can use formula of VLookUp, that is vertical lookup in Excel sheet. For using VLookUp formula, we must have two sheets. Sheet 1 should have all the data from where we would be searching a certain value. In this case, we have three columns having details like name, mobile number and city. Sheet 2 would be used for determining specific value of different column in the same row of sheet 1. In this case, we would be searching mobile number and city with respect to name. Let us now apply formula on Excel sheet. Equal to VLookUp, bracket start, select the column which is common in both sheets. In this case, it is A2, comma, and then go to the sheet from where data would be fetched and select whole column which is common. After that, select the whole area till which data is required. In this case, it is column B. Then put comma again and mention total number of columns which are selected. Here it is 2. Mention comma 0 and select exact match and press enter. You will find correct details getting updated in sheet 2. To verify the result, you can check what is the mobile number of Q in the sheet having complete data. Here it is 123. It means we have applied the formula correctly. Now copy the formula and paste it in below columns. Let us now apply same formula for determining city. We used similar steps to determine city, but in this case, total number of columns are 3. Let us now verify the city of Y. It is Gurugram. It means our formula is correct. In case of any doubt, you may ask same in comment section.